Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to hide the Telegram app on your Android device. Let's dive right in. To hide the Telegram app on your Android device, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down to find the Privacy option and tap on it. You will see the Privacy and App Encryption option. Tap on it. Set your desired password. After setting your password, a new screen will appear. On this screen, you will see the App Hiding option. Tap on it. You will see a list of apps installed on your device. Scroll down to find the Telegram app. You can also use the search bar to locate the Telegram app. Once you find the Telegram app, tap the toggle switch next to it to hide the app. A confirmation message will appear. Simply tap on Confirm. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.